What if one of Britain's most charming classic vans was reborn as a luxury restomod cruiser? This is the 2026 Morris J2 Minibus, a bold reinterpretation of the iconic workhorse, now dripping in premium finishes, modern tech, and serious road presence. Let's break down the design from front to back, step inside the cabin, and talk engines, pricing, and when this retro revival could hit the streets. Up front, the J2 keeps its friendly, upright face, but upgrades everything else. Round LED headlights with halo rings modernize the look instantly, while the wide chrome grille and bold Morris lettering across the hood scream heritage. The polished bumper integrates subtle red accents and air intakes, giving the van a surprisingly sporty edge. It's nostalgic, without looking old. From the side, the long roof silhouette stays true to the original, but the stance changes the entire vibe. The lowered ride height, black multi-spoke wheels with red pinstriping, and low-profile tires push this square-bodied van firmly into luxury resto-mod territory. Chrome trim around the windows and door handles preserves the vintage charm, while the deep burgundy metallic paint reflects like glass. Large side windows keep things airy inside and make this feel more like a boutique cruiser than a delivery vehicle. At the back, vertical LED taillights echo the old-school design, but glow with modern clarity. Morris badging stretches across the tailgate, paired with J2 branding below. Then you spot the quad exhaust tips and diffuser-style lower bumper, an unexpected performance cue for something historically known for hauling cargo. Roof-mounted lighting and subtle vents finish things off with a modern touch. Inside, the transformation is dramatic. Deep red leather upholstery, diamond stitching, and ambient LED lighting along the roofline give the cabin a luxury car atmosphere. The dashboard blends digital gauges with a wide infotainment screen, while a modern steering wheel and automatic shifter reinforce that this is a thoroughly contemporary machine. Thickly bolstered seats promise long-distance comfort. This J2 feels built for lifestyle buyers, not commercial fleets. Official specs haven't been revealed, but the visual cues suggest a serious mechanical overhaul. Expect possibilities like a turbocharged petrol engine, a plug-in hybrid setup, or even a fully electric version. Power figures could realistically land in the 250 to 400 horsepower range, paired with an advanced automatic transmission or EV drivetrain, plus adaptive suspension and modern braking to match the premium positioning. Given the craftsmanship and luxury focus, this wouldn't be an entry-level van anymore. Estimated pricing could fall between $70,000 and $120,000 USD, depending on powertrain and customization. If production happens, a likely launch window would be late 2026 to early 2027, probably starting with limited run builds before broader availability. The 2026 Morris J2 Minibus shows how far a classic icon can go when designers fully embrace the restomod philosophy. Retro proportions, luxury interior, modern power. So, would you daily drive a vintage British minibus turned high-end cruiser? Drop a comment, hit that like button, subscribe for more future classics, and I'll see you in the next one.